Welcome to our cleaning tutorial for the Zomee Fit Breast Pump. Step 1. Disassemble the pump. Begin by removing all plastic pump parts from the motor. Step 2. Clean the motor. Take your Zomee cleaning wipe and carefully clean the motor. If you're interested in on-the-go Zomee cleaning wipes, check out the link below. Keeping your pump clean is essential for its performance and longevity. Make sure to reach all the crevices and remove any milk, residue, or debris. Step 3. Dry the motor. Once you've finished disinfecting, be sure to dry the motor completely. Regularly cleaning the motor helps prevent any milk or debris from entering the unit. And that's it! With these simple steps, you'll keep your Zomee Fit breast pump in top shape. Happy pumping, and don't forget to check out the link for those convenient cleaning wipes.